welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is going to be very exciting. This is going to be my mom dad's 25th anniversary vlog. So I am sure you guys saw Urvi's vlog where she did something for her mom dad's 25th anniversary. I also thought of doing something similar. These are small things which we can do for our parents which will make them happy. So that is what even I am trying to do. So initially I was also thinking something similar with what Urvi did, you know, doing the haldi function and doing Sat Feras and Varmala and all that. But then I also wanted to do something different. I also wanted to think something out of the box. So I was thinking what to do, and then I came along with this idea that let's do a Catholic wedding, a white wedding. This is going to be very different. To be honest, I have attended a very few Catholic weddings, and my family has attended a very few Catholic weddings. We all have attended a lot of Hindu weddings, so we know the traditions of Hindu weddings, but Catholic weddings के इतने traditions नहीं पता है. But still I am researching a lot about it, you know, what has to be done and all. So I'm super duper excited. I'm very nervous also at the same time, because काफ़ी बार ना ज़्यादा अलग करने जाती हूँ ना तो वो लोगों को बोर हो जाता है और समझता नहीं है. But I'm just hoping that things go as I plan. Let me guys give you a little overview about what other things which I've planned till now. So I have fixed the venue. I have booked a banquet at Hotel Sai Palace Grand. So the venue is done, the food over there is decided, the decor is also decided. Initially my plan was that I wanted to do the decor by myself, but udhar Monopoly decorators hai, you can only book them and they can only do the decor, you can't do it by yourself, which was a little, you know, I was a little pissed about that fact, but then वो मेरे हाथ में था ही नहीं, so I had to give it to them. So the decor is also decided. I have kept a DJ also because I want everyone to dance on that day. I hired a DJ as well. And about the outfits, I am making my mom wear the white gown and my dad wearing a black tuxedo or a blazer or something like that. So I have rented that as well. So there's a store called as Pop In Kandivali. I have booked the outfits for them. So again, that is done. So all the pre-work is almost done. Also guys, I'm going to be the host, so I have literally made scripts about what things I have to say. Like मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की हुई है ये सब चीज़ों के लिए. So I'm really excited, and yeah, let's see how things go. So finally everyone has arrived, and yo, I am welcoming everyone, and now the fun begins.
So everything is planned, okay, but you should first, Gosrani family should ask na, we want to give Hetal again or no?
So now, as per traditions, the bride is walking the aisle with her mom and dad, and now the best man is welcoming the bride with a bouquet of flowers, and the couple is walking towards the stage for the vows.
Do you promise to love each other forever?
Yes, we watch very much.
Yes. Okay, so let's start. I, Vijay, take you, Hetal,
I, Vijay, take you, Hetal,
to be my wife.
to be my lawful wife.
I promise to
be
great to you
very much great to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad times,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you
I love you
and honor you
and honor you
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
I, Hetal,
I, Hetal,
take you, Vijay,
take you, Vijay,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be
I promise to be
great to you
great to you
in good times
in good times
and bad,
and bad times,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
I will
I will
love you
love you,
and honor you
honor you
for the rest of your life.
for the rest of your life.
And now there is the main thing, that is the ring exchange. So my dad got a real diamond couple rings which are so beautiful. I unfortunately do not have a video while the ring exchange was happening, but here are some beautiful pictures. So now they are entering as an official couple. To welcome the couple, all the guests were standing in pairs and the couple had to take permission from the pairs to move ahead. So for the permissions, all the guests gave them small tasks or dares to do, which the couple had to do to get access for entering.
तुमसे प्यार ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना
Time stands still, beauty in all she.
कि आप दीदी बताओ कि विजय जी का फेवरेट ब्रेकफास्ट नाश्ता क्या है?
Egg omelette.
ओके, और आप बताओ?
पराठा
पक्का, राइट?
Yes.
ओके, सेकंड तो विजय जी का फेवरेट क्विजीन क्या है? मतलब चाइनीज, पंजाबी, साउथ इंडियन, उपवास क्या?
South Indian. South Indian.
साउथ इंडियन, राइट?
केचप डाल के कुछ भी खिला दो।
बेटा दीदी का बताओ। ये डिफिकल्ट चाइनीज बोलो, चाइनीज। गोभी की सब्जी। पंजाबी। ओके। हाँ, देखा इसके लिए उसके भाई ने ऐसे पंजाबी ढूंढ के लाए। परमिशन ग्रांटेड।
थैंक यू
गरबा गायने देखा बनने
હસી ખુશી આવી રીતના તમારા વર્ષો વીતતા રહે.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया।
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
So the next thing as per tradition is that the bride throws the bouquet to all the single ladies, and whoever catches the bouquet is likely to get married next. But we had a twist over here. So we called all the married women who had yet not completed 25 years of togetherness. I had attached ribbons to the bouquet and everyone had to hold each ribbon. The bride was blindfolded and she kept leaving one ribbon. Whosoever was left at the end got the bouquet and was likely to celebrate her 25 years of togetherness in a grand way.
Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more.
So finally this vlog is over. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. It was such a successful day. I am so tired, but it was really nice. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video. Bye.